Meanwhile, there's still hope for illegal drug users. This is through a 6-month rehabilitation program. Let's hear the details of this report.
Fight criminality and drugs.
Condemning the use of illegal drugs is an integral content of each of the speeches of President Rodrigo Duterte. The president explains that heinous crimes originate from drug use. According to Rudin Gonzalez III, a rehabilitation practitioner, shabu melts the brain of a person, leading him or her to insanity and eventually to death. This is because it is made up of toxic chemicals such as acetone, muriatic acid, and battery fluid.
It shrinks the brain and of course, not only that, the liver, the kidneys, the internal organs will suffer.
Rudin enumerates the signs when one is taking drugs. He says it is easy to detect based on physiological features and behavior.
Ang mata, lubog na lubog, no? Deep set ang eyes, ang pisngi, lubog na, yung parang dry, very dry ang skin. And yung teeth, medyo nag-corrode na because of the acid. Hindi na buo yung ngipin. They don't have that smell, yung smell nila, medyo hirap na silang umamoy. No? And of course, sa mental naman, sa behavioral, ano sila? Yung parang they're not in touch with reality. And of course, what we've talked about kanina is, yun nga, they're paranoid.
But he notes that there is still hope for those who are high on drugs to recover. This is through undergoing rehabilitation for at least 6 months. An example is Francis Salandanan, 36 years old. Francis had been using drugs for almost 20 years before he decided to change. He said it was curiosity that led him to his addiction.
Last year, na-realize ko yun, palala na ako ng palala. Hindi lang basta-basta pangungupit ng ginagawa ko, hindi lang basta-basta pagnanakaw na ginagawa ko. Although sa family lang, pero same point, pagnanakaw sa pagnanakaw, pangungupit sa pangungupit. So na-realize ko what more pa kaya magagawa ko. And doon ako natakot, and that made me decide na time for a change na.
Francis is being treated for 9 months now in a rehabilitation center in Binyan, Laguna. Francis sees a huge difference between his current and past life.
Dito yung stay ko. So first yung naibalik ko yung pananampalataya ko kay Jesus, kay God. Nakapagsimba na ulit ako, nagdadasal. Tapos naayos yung relationship ko sa family ko. Kila mama, kila ate, kay kapatid kong bunso. Yung pamangking ko, okay na kami nung kailan ba yun? June 20. After ilang years, nag-I love you ulit sa akin si mama. So talagang masaya.
Francis knows the happiness he feels now is real compared when he was still into shabu. He is extremely grateful for the another chance to mend his ways despite of repeatedly committing the same mistakes, making him feel meaningless. With this, Francis encourages those who are currently walking on the dark path he took before to accept failure, to ask for help, and to seek rehab.
Sa rehab, doon mo makikita doon mo marirealize yung mga maling ginawa mo. May mga taong tutulong sa'yo, may mga taong magmamahal sa'yo, magtitiwala sa'yo. So doon mo mararamdaman yung hindi mo nararamdaman nung nasa labas ka. So it's really a benefit sa mga addicts, mga nag-iisa sa mundo at ang kasama lang ay shabu.
For PTV News, Ria Fernandez.